Namaskar. I am Dr. Jayanthi Khura, consultant in internal medicine at Manipal Hospital Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to talk about some general health issues of women. So, men and women are different and their health is also different. They are different biologically, socially and behaviorally. Even the same health problem can occur differently in men and women. For example, heart disease. Heart attack is more common in women than in men, and the risk increases significantly after menopause. Also, women don't usually have the typical symptoms of chest pain as experienced by men while having a heart attack. Women have atypical symptoms of heart attack, such as they may feel pain in the shoulder or the jaw, or they may not feel pain at all, and they may feel fatigue, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, etc. Some women even have silent heart attack and they don't even know that they are having a heart attack. Like heart attack, stroke is also very common in women. In stroke, either you can have a blockage in your blood vessel of your brain or you can have hemorrhage in your brain. And as a result, you may have paralysis, difficulty in speaking, loss of consciousness or seizure. So if we want to prevent heart attack or stroke, then we should control our blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol level and our body weight. That is why you should get your blood sugar, blood pressure and cholesterol level checked every once in a while, and it is advisable to do it at least once a year. You should also try to maintain a healthy weight by having a proper diet and following a regular exercise schedule. Many pregnant women also face the problem of high blood pressure and high blood sugar during pregnancy. So if you are pregnant, then you should also check your blood sugar and blood pressure. And if you are having such problems, then you should seek medical attention for that. Coming to the next problem faced by women, and I am talking about anemia. Anemia is very common, especially in Indian women, and that is because of improper nutrition, heavy menstrual bleeding, recurrent pregnancy and hookworm infestation, which is very common in our country. You may feel fatigue and tiredness and shortness of breath and dizziness or headache. Then you should check your CBC and you should know your hemoglobin level, and if you are having low hemoglobin level, then you should seek treatment for it. Now let's talk about urinary tract infection. Did you know that women are more prone to having urinary tract infection than men? It is because the women have shorter urethra as compared to men, and hence the bacteria has to travel a shorter distance and then it can cause infection. If you have urinary tract infection, then you may feel fever, chills, increased frequency of micturition, burning of urination. If you are having such symptoms, then you should get your urine tested and you should consult a doctor who might prescribe you antibiotics. There are ways to prevent urinary tract infection. You should drink plenty of water, and whenever you are feeling a pressure to pass urine, do not hold it. Pass the urine whenever you are feeling the urge to pass. Secondly, after having intercourse, you must pass urine so that you can avoid urinary tract infection. Osteoporosis is another problem faced by women, mainly the older women after menopause. After menopause, because of hormonal imbalance, the bones become weak and they are prone to fracture even with a minor injury. So you should get your calcium and vitamin D level tested, and you can also get a DEXA scan to know the strength of your bone. And if you are having any problem in your DEXA scan or calcium or vitamin D, then you should seek treatment for it. Women are more prone to mental health issues such as anxiety or depression. So if you or anyone near you is having any kind of mental health issues, then you should consult a psychiatrist. There are some ways you can try at home to relieve your stress. For example, meditation, listening to music, following at least one of your hobbies, and exercise is a very good way to relieve your stress. There is another condition which is known as the autoimmune disease, which is very common in women. Hypothyroidism is such an example, and that is why women face more thyroid issues as compared to men. The other autoimmune conditions can present as fever, fatigue, joint pain, rashes, etc. So if you have any such problems, then you should also consult your doctor. That's all for today from my side. On the behalf of Women's Day, Happy International Women's Day. So on this International Women's Day, you can gift your mother or sister or your daughter, and if you're a woman yourself, then you can gift yourself the Well Women Checkup package offered by Manipal Hospital.